connect with our expert on the show today. And let me welcome Rahul Sharma, Director, Head Technical and Derivative Research at JM Financial Services. Hi Rahul, a very good afternoon and thank you so much for your time. I can see you in a very colorful kurta, so festive greetings to you. But Rahul, tell us about how do you see the market movement right now? Do you believe that it's a base formation that is in play happening for both the benchmark indices? Because it's quite difficult these days to actually build confidence on the kind of recovery that we are seeing.
Yes, festive greetings to you and your audience as well. Nifty definitely, has been difficult in this month given the kind of correction that we've seen. So, we all know the reasons why it is happening, but the question on everybody's mind is where exactly do we see the capitulation happening? Now, one thing that we have in mind is in terms of, the very short term in terms of the hourly charts, we're seeing markets are heavily oversold and there is divergence that is building on the hourly charts of Nifty, Nifty as well as some of the other key indices. What that translates into a very small bounce back that can come. That small bounce back could be anywhere in the vicinity of 24,650 to 24,700. Post which we are expecting another round of selling pressure, which can take the Nifty downwards towards 24,200, even 24,000 is very much on the cards. So this is clearly a market which is in bear grip, and bounce backs are utilized as selling opportunities. The texture of the market continues to be bearish. Today we are seeing some green shoots happening, especially in the banking space. So Bank Nifty is something which has already started the bounce back. Nifty may follow suit, and maybe we may see the bounce back happening in the Nifty probably tomorrow or on Monday's session. So net the best thing to do is take 1 or 2 days at one point in time, because that is a kind of volatility that we are witnessing. And as far as the October series is concerned, or the October expiry is concerned, there is a high chance that we see a bottom formation being placed, or at least the capitulation happening in the next week, which is where we have the monthly expiry coming up for the Nifty index.
Rahul, other than the banking index, any other sectoral indices that look attractive on technical front?
Yeah, so as of now, we are primarily focusing on the large caps. We are not touching mid caps and small caps in any way. In fact, we are just waiting for the Diwali picks to be released primarily for this reason. And from the large cap space, the best thing to do is build a diversified basket of around 8 to 10 stocks. We are expecting that something like chemicals is something which is reversed on the medium term chart. So chemicals is something that we are liking. As far as index is concerned, IT is another saving grace where the correction hasn't been deep, and once the market stabilizes, we are expecting smart bounce back happening in this space. Apart from that, it is metals which seems like the correction seems to be over, and a bounce back is on the cards at any point in time. So these are the key select sectors where we are keeping our eyes on. But the best thing to do is build a diversified basket of the Nifty 50 stocks, where stocks have reached their downside targets or essentially trading close to the 200-day EMAs, and the risk reward is very favorable in them, and just buy and hold on to these stocks for the next 2 to 3 months.
Rahul, one stock specific question on Reliance Industries. The stock is down nearly 17.5% from its recent high of around 3,200 rupees that we had seen. It's just 3% away from entering the bear territory. It's below its all DMAs. It's the RSI is below 30. Any kind of an upside that you're expecting when it comes to Reliance Industries?
Yeah, so if you rewind a bit, ever since this October series has started, in fact, from the 1st of October, the stock has attracted a lot of shorts into the system. The Reliance futures open interest continues to be at a decadal high, or I think almost 9 years of time frame. We have not seen such huge open interest or open positions in the future segment. So these shorts are still there in the system. What could cause them to cover their shorts? Either there is proper reversal on the Nifty, which causes this reversal, which causes this short covering. Or secondly, it could be the monthly expiry, which is where we are heading into. So I think it has to be, the chances of happening, the monthly expiry is more. And once that happens, we expect the shorts to come out of it. And unless that happens, any bounce back, would be as a shorting opportunity in Reliance. And speaking of levels, I think 2600, 2550 is where the long-term supports come for the stock. And like you said, it has already entered into bear territory, so it'll need a a magical move, of sorts to challenge these shorts and at the same time reverse the market trend as well. So very tough times, especially if you're a trader in Reliance. But if you are an investor and if you have a macro picture, if you have like a 6 to 12 month time frame, these are good times to start chipping in, accumulate the stock for delivery. We feel that the risk reward is increasingly getting favorable in this stock if you have a slightly more longer time horizon.
All right, with this, we'll let you go on that. Rahul, thank you so much for taking the time out and helping with your take on the index as well as the stocks that you are spotting at this point in time. But with this...
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.